What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the show. So, today is a very special episode because today is going to be the first of many, hopefully a million or even a billion, DIY recipes I'm going to be teaching you how to do. So, as I mentioned in my PSK unboxing video, I use my essential oils for literally everything, like pretty much everything. Well, anyway, today though we're going to be focusing on how to use essential oils for skincare. And the DIY recipe we'll be making today is a revitalizing eye serum. So what this eye serum will do is it'll help lighten the dark circles under your eye, maybe even get rid of it completely and help to kind of just reduce the puffiness that we usually get from either scratching our eyes or like when we're stressed or I don't know, after crying or something like that, or waking up on the wrong side of the bed. So yeah, that's what you can expect the eye serum to do for you. Okay, so now let's talk ingredients. What we're gonna be needing today is lavender essential oil, as you can see here, frankincense essential oil, and last but not the least, Cypress essential oil. You'll also be needing a 15 ml dropper. I've had this for a while now just because I've been refilling my eye serum for almost like a good year now. And if you notice that there are white paint marks on it, it's because I usually doodle on the bottle with a paint marker just because, I don't know, it's pretty cute. And then you'll also be needing a carrier oil. You can use Young Living's V6. It's made up of coconut oil, sesame oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, wheat germ oil, sunflower seed oil, and even olive oil. So it's not too thick, so it's highly unlikely that it will actually clog your pores. But if you are allergic to gluten or allergic to wheat or nuts, I highly suggest you don't use this. The other carrier oil that I like to use is actually Earth's Care Sweet Almond Oil. This is it. And the reason I like to use this brand specifically is because it already has vitamin E oil in it. So that's another thing. If you want to boost your revitalizing eye serum, like if you want it to work even better, then I highly suggest you get vitamin E oil. Yeah. Okay, so now all we're gonna do is we're gonna mix all of this. But before I do that, I just wanted to show you guys the recipe I'm going to be using today. So this is it. And you can take a screenshot of this. I'll just wait like a couple of seconds. Yeah, so all we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding the essential oils into this dropper bottle. You may or may not choose to leave your essential oils to kind of get to know each other better for about 12 to 24 hours in this bottle before you add the carrier oil. It's what we call synergizing, and it's a great way of kind of allowing the essential oils to settle in with one another so that they work 10 times better. But in any case, if you don't want to wait, you can go ahead and add your essential oils and then add the vitamin E oil and carrier oil right after. Okay, so let's get started. All we're gonna do is we're gonna take our lavender and we're going to add 10 drops of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you go over 10, that's totally fine. And then you're gonna take your frankincense and you're gonna put 6 drops of frankincense. Ooh, I had to focus there. Okay, and then you're going to take your cypress oil. And because cypress is kind of strong, it can get a little bit spicy to the touch. You wanna add only 2 drops of cypress. Oh my gosh, I super apologize, guys. I was having trouble with my phone, and so the sun has already set and it's gone, and that's why it's much darker now. Sad reacts only. But anyway, the reason why we use cypress though in this blend is because cypress is known to help promote good circulation. So I don't know if you know this, but I was told that dark circles under your eyes is actually a sign of poor circulation. So that's why this is like the added boost that it needs to kind of just make your eye serum work better, help blood flow better around that area, and just overall reduce the appearance of your dark circles under your eyes. So yeah, let's add the carrier oil now. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna add the V6. I don't have much left in my bottle. I've had this for quite a while now. I'm just gonna, and as I mentioned, since I don't have a lot left, I'm just gonna have to pour it. pour a little bit, and then what I'm gonna do is, since my sweet almond oil already has vitamin E in it, I'm gonna pour this in the rest of the way. And there we go. And I don't know if you can see this so well, but there is a difference between the densities of the carrier oil. So as you can see, this kind of part on top that's a little more, I don't know, thicker is, or not as thick, is the sweet almond oil with the vitamin E, and this one here below is the carrier oil. So you can see just how big of a difference it does make already when you add vitamin E into your eye serum blend. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna cap it, just rub it in the palm of your hands, and just leave it. So in terms of application with this specific eye serum blend that we made, all we're gonna do is take a little, drop some right here, just 2 drops, and then you're just gonna pat it. And you don't want to ever rub the skin around your eyes, just because our skin there is so sensitive. So if you rub it, chances are you're just gonna stretch it and make it sag even more. Yeah, and that's it. So you can apply this morning and night, but should you decide to add lemon into this, then I'd suggest only applying at night, just because lemon is photosensitive. All citrus oils are photosensitive, and what this essentially means is that if you go under the sun after putting any citrus oils on you, chances are you will get a tan in the specific area where you applied the citrus oil. So yeah, that's about it for our episode today. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY and just wellness tips that I'll be giving you guys in the weeks, years to come. Yeah. Have a good day, everyone.